Tired of fielding endless "can I buy this" requests? Let's dive into how to effortlessly add your credit or debit card to family sharing, putting you in control of family purchases. First, on your iPhone or iPad, head over to the Settings app, then scroll down until you find Family and tap on it. This is your family sharing command center. Now, look for Purchase Sharing tab here. This is where we'll manage the shared payment method. See this option, Share Purchases with Family. Make sure the toggle is switched on. See the listed payment method, tap on it. You will now be seeing the card details screen. You most likely will see an option to add a payment method. Go ahead and tap that. Now, you can either choose a card already linked to your Apple Pay or manually enter the details of a new credit or debit card. Follow the on-screen instructions to securely add your card. Apple prioritizes your security. Once added, your card will be the shared payment method for all family members within the group. Keep in mind that all family members can use this card. If you want to limit who can make purchases, you can manage spending permissions for each family member individually. Tap on a family member's name from the main family sharing screen, and then you adjust their purchase permissions. Here, you can enable Ask to Buy, requiring them to get your approval for every purchase, and that's it. You've successfully added your card to family sharing, enabling authorized family members to make purchases while staying in control. Enjoy hassle-free family purchases. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Apple tips and tricks.